was your weekend?
It was okay. I mean, it rained.
Actually, rain is nice sometimes.
I mean, my feet are soaking wet.
Aww.
It's disgusting. I feel disgusting.
Party in your shoes.
Party in my shoes. There's no way to dress for the rain.
I guess.
How do you deal with it?
Wet feet do suck. Unless you got like fancy rain boots that you wear like once a year. Or twice, perhaps, during this week of rain.
Yeah, I mean, how does anyone afford that anyways?
Rich people.
Yeah, rich people. I was gonna work on Friday, and then it got canceled because of the rain. So
outside event?
Yeah, it was an outside event.
That sucks.
I know. There goes the money I could have made to buy myself some rain boots. Haha.
What a paradox.
I know. It just goes in a circle. And
come with me. I want to show you something.
Okay. Is that a shampoo bottle? Well, why do you have a bottle of shampoo? What are we doing?
Think about it. Rain, getting wet, shampoo.